In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot why your real estate lead generation may not be working as effectively as you'd like. Generating leads is crucial for any real estate business. It's essentially the lifeblood of your operations, enabling you to connect with potential clients and grow your business. But sometimes, despite your best efforts, your lead generation strategies might not yield the expected results. Let's delve into some common reasons why this might be happening and explore practical solutions to get your lead generation back on track. First up, let's talk about your value proposition. One of the main reasons your real estate lead generation might not be working is if your value proposition is weak or unclear. Your value proposition is essentially what sets you apart from the competition. It's what makes your services attractive to potential clients. If you're not clearly articulating what makes your real estate offerings unique and beneficial, prospective clients might not see the value in reaching out to you. Make sure to refine and communicate your value proposition clearly on all your marketing channels. Next, examine your website or landing page. These are often the first point of contact for potential leads, and first impressions matter immensely. If your site is outdated, hard to navigate, or lacks essential information, visitors might leave before even considering your services. Ensure that your website is user-friendly, mobile-friendly, and contains clear calls to action. Easy navigation and quick load times are crucial here. Another factor could be that your lead capture forms are too aggressive. While it's important to obtain information from potential leads, asking for too much upfront or having overly intrusive forms can deter people. Keep your forms simple. Ask for only the most necessary information initially and provide additional opportunities for engagement later. Lastly, reevaluate your overall marketing strategy. Are you targeting the right audience? Are you using the right platforms? The problem might not be with the lead generation process itself, but rather your approach in reaching potential clients. Utilize data analytics to better understand your audience and tailor your strategy to their habits and preferences. In conclusion, getting to the bottom of why your real estate lead generation isn't working can significantly enhance your business prospects. By making key adjustments to your strategies, you can improve your chances of converting visitors into leads and eventually paying clients. Remember, it's all about offering clear value, creating a seamless user experience, and effectively targeting your desired audience. Apply these insights, and you'll likely see an improvement in your lead generation outcomes.